Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I'll be doing these nails with Gel X long square nails. So I did this unboxing a few videos ago, but I'm doing it again for this video because this is the nail and the products that I'll be using, and the extended gel, and this is the one I just got. So this is the clear, and these are the different colors that you can build the nail, put on um, the Gel X nails with. And these are just some of the different colors, just to show you what they look like. And you'll see which one I end up using in order to do that 4th of July nail. So again, it is long, square, sculpted nails. I love sculpted, okay? And this is what they look like. This is from their website or their YouTube channel. So I just screenshot it just to show you what they look like. So these are their image, their photos. And this is me getting ready to size up to see the size that I'll be using for my nails. I'm so excited, guys, because I love this. So I use the little sticky things and that you use for, I call that little tripods right there, when you want to use that in order to do press on nails. So I'm just using that to hold the nails on, because, oh, and a little bit of acetone to take off the top layer instead of buffing it or filing it. And I am using the Orly gel polish in order to do these red tips for 4th of July. So I am doing it this way because, if you know, I am not good with my non-dominant hand in order to paint it. So this was an easy way for me to do these. And then you know that the lamp cannot penetrate through colors, so the top part is clear, so it was easy to do it like this and then just adhere them with the gel later on. So what else can I say? Yeah, this was so easy to do because if I could do it with my right hand, but trying to do it like, let me say this again. Yeah, I could do it with my right hand on my left, like I'm doing right here. But if I went to try and do it on my left, I know that the lines wouldn't have been straight. I would have cleaned it. It would have been all messy. So I decided to do it this way, and then adhere them with the gel later on. So that's another way you could do it if you're not like on yourself, when you're trying to do nails on yourself. So guys, I love the Gel X from Après, from Cara Sky. Jellish. No, I know I have one too. I love these, you guys, because one, I've realized. So this is the bottle version of it, but I'm using that to adhere a couple rhinestones. So the white down there is still a little tacky thing that I use in order to adhere the full cover tips on my tripod. And oh, I am doing the top coat just on the red part, so that when I take them off it and I accidentally touch the red part, it's not sticky and leave my prints all over it, because this is a non-wipe top coat. So that's why I'm doing it now. So I'm just getting ready to do now my other hand. I'm sticking them on in order to get the other hand ready. So like I was saying, I prefer this product to do nails because I've come to realize that I definitely cannot do acrylic, and I've learned that since class. I cannot handle the smell, and from the room that I do it in, it's I can't handle the smell staying in there. My husband can't handle it, and it's just not good for us. And then also, if I try to do young nail builder stuff like that, I realize when I try to build the nails, I realize when it comes to filing it, I have severe allergies. Like for 3 days, I can't breathe. I can't sleep because I can't breathe. Even if I wear a mask, even if I have a dust collector. So I realize, right. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't say with a dust collector because I don't have one yet. So, but I don't do nails for anyone other than like myself, or if someone wants me to do it for a video, allow me to do it for my video. So I'm just taking everything off and getting ready to show you which one I'm using right here. So that's why I love the Après. So I know there's a lot of that's my desk, you guys. Just showing a little video about my desk look like. This right here is Orly cuticle oil in order to clean up the cuticle, and remover. Sorry, cuticle remover. So that's what I'm doing right there. Yeah. So I know a lot of people have a lot of issues. Like they think they're better because they use acrylic over builder over over Gel X. And honestly, Gel X is not, it's like it's a process as well, but anyways, it stays on just as long. as the other process. So anyways, I'm getting my um, acetone ready, and I just clean the inside of all the nails instead of filing it. And there's bonder and primer, but I'm going to eliminate doing the bonder because we should be going to a Dodger game pretty soon, and I want these nails to be able to come off before I go to the game so I could do Dodger nails. And I don't want to soak them off because I like to save my nail. I have a video where I save my nails. So I'm doing a primer on the inside on my nail. But guys, if you do Gel X the proper way, it lasts literally like 3 weeks, if not longer. And I'm using the same color that I'll be doing inside the nails to on my nail bed as well, and cure that. So yeah. So anyways, what do you guys think about the process? Do you have you like I said, I just started doing nails. I will be actually how old? 48. I'll be 48 July 1st, and I wanted to do nails straight out of high school, and my dad said no, he's not gonna send me to high school to take care of nobody's nails and feet. So I ended up going to college, I got my A and my BA in two different things. So I decided, you know what, the kids are growing, they're more getting more independent. Let's see, there's a school down from where I live, and they ended up moving. But anyways, there was a school there that's been there for many years, and I looked it up, and they offer classes Friday and Saturday for my nails. And so I ended up getting my license, and 2 years ago. And people are like, well, why do you have your license? What are you going to do with it? I go, well, sometimes it's just something that happens because you accomplish what you wanted to do. There's something else that bothers me that I want to accomplish that I stopped a while ago, but there's a legitimate reason why I stopped. But I realized I want to go back and finish it. I'm not going to say what that is yet, but that'll be a topic another time. So hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Yeah. So the little lamp that I have right there is from Gelish. I love it because it's, you could like maneuver it how high, how low you want it, and you just tap it and it comes on. It's kind of sensitive. So yeah, and it's just for a 10-second cure before I take it to the my table lamp. Yeah. So is there something that you have in your life that you wanted to do, never got to do it, then you got older, married, kids, family, or whatever prevented you from finishing it up? Um, what is that? So right here, I'm putting on Cara Sky White because I will. So this one I just put on with the regular same process, but that one I had to do while the nail was already officially on because, like I said, the lamp would not have penetrated in order for it to adhere to my nail. So this is my O2, or is it O or 0? No, it's O2 nail printer. I love, love, love this one. This one's $5.99. They have more expensive one, but I didn't need anything more expensive because it's just me. So this right here, it's best to put on white. But if you don't have on white, you can use any color you want. And that white right there that you have, you still have to put that on. They have a clear one, but in order to print it, you need either the white or the clear. So I'll try to clear eventually. And I'm just showing you different ways of how I put the 4th of July on my nail, just different angles. So this is just showing you different angles of how I did it. So you put on white or whatever polish you want, cure it. I suggest you wipe it with alcohol, and then you put on O2 nail product, which is either a white or a clear product. Paint it on and don't cure it. Then you put your fingers in and you select the app and do all this wonderful stuff. And right here, I love this transparency right here, so you can see where it's going to fit on the finger or the nail, and then you go ahead and press print. So that's the process. So guys, leave a comment below something that you wanted to do that you didn't accomplish, but it's been bothering you because you want to do that before it's too late. So mine was, of course, getting my license, and there's one more, and I'll address that one another time. So let me know. So when you're done printing, I let it air dry for maybe a couple seconds, and then I take it to my table lamp and cure it, and then I put on my top coat, and I prefer non-wipe top coat, you guys. Really fun. Make sure your resolutions are really good on this when printing, guys, because I use a different different images in order to get the 4th of July, and they were, the little stars weren't showing up as well. The blue was really, 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 really dark. So the resolution has to be a great resolution for it to show up on the nail. I like to put it on my middle finger just because the middle finger have a wider more like wider space to fit more image to show more. And I honestly, even though some people ring finger and pointing finger almost are the same as their middle finger, mine is a little almost the same. Sometimes I could get away with using the same tip, but this one I use a little bigger one so that it could actually spread out more. And then the ring finger. So it's finished. Let me know what you think. Happy 4th of July. My cuticle oil. Getting ready to do my photos. Guys, whatever it is that you want to accomplish, do it. I'm telling you, accomplish it. Just for your well-being. If it's finishing college, I'm like, I have my bachelor's, but my husband and I own a completely different business than what I have my bachelor's in. But the fact that I have it, I feel like it's a great accomplishment that I did while I was younger. I got my license. Like I said, I want to do that from I was like 17, 18 out of high school. And I just got it at what, 40? I'll be 49, 47, 46, maybe 46 or 45. So, excuse me. So, and there's one more thing that I want to accomplish, and that one if will be another topic. So let me know in the bottom if you accomplished what you wanted to accomplish, if you got to accomplish it, and know that anything is possible. I know I have two boys. I'm a full-time mom and a full-time business owner, so it is hard, but it's never too late, okay? Take care. Be safe. Have a happy 4th of July. Please don't do any fireworks. It's just not needed. The everywhere is dry right now. We don't need any fire. A lot of people are retired military from the military, and they suffer with so much. So please be considerate of them as well, and dogs and animals and stuff like that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't leave with us subscribing, and peace out.